Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to remove music from your Instagram profile. To get started with removing music from your Instagram profile, follow these steps. Start by launching the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. On your profile page, you'll see your profile picture, followers, following, and bio. If you have added music to your profile, you'll notice a music icon along with the song's name under your bio. Tap on Edit Profile located just below your bio and the music icon. Scroll down until you see the music section. Tap on it to view the music you have added to your profile. Next to the song you want to remove, tap on the Remove button. To finalize the removal, tap the checkmark icon at the top right corner of the screen. Alternatively, you can also remove the song directly from your profile by tapping on the music name and selecting Remove Profile Song from the pop-up menu. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.